Okay, let's get ready for penmanship. Today we are going to learn how to write the letter S. What letter are we going to write?
S.
Correct. First, name these lines. Ready and...
Top, middle, bottom.
So when I write the letter S, I start here, I recite curve up and curve down and around as I write, and name letter S. Let's do that again. I recite curve up and curve down and around S. Remember, when I'm writing the letter S, I start just below the top line, I curve up to the top line, curve down to the very bottom, and around to right above the bottom line. Okay, now recite a name as I write the letter S. Ready and...
Curve up and curve down and around. S.
Correct. Good job. One more time. Ready and...
Curve up and curve down and around. S.
Awesome. You guys are doing great. Let's do it one more time together. Ready and...
Curve up and curve down and around. S.
Is this a good letter S?
No,
Why is this not a good letter S?
because you curled the end of it and you didn't reach the top line.
Yep. This is not a good letter S because I didn't reach the top line or the bottom line. Let's erase it and do it again the right way. Ready and...
Curve up and curve down and around. S.
Okay, let's try it one more time. Ready and...
Curve up and curve down and around. S.
Was that a good letter S?
No,
Why wasn't it a good letter S?
you went the wrong direction.
That's right, I went the wrong direction. So let's do it one more time together, doing it in the right direction. Ready and...
Curve up and curve down and around. S.
Right. Notice that when I write the letter S, I leave a space in between the S's. Let's write two S's together, okay? Recite a name as I write. Ready and...
Curve up and curve down and around. S. Curve up, curve down and around. S.
Are these two good S's?
No,
Why aren't they two good S's?
you didn't leave space in between them.
Right, so let's redo it, leaving a space in between the two letter S's. I'm going to go down here. Ready and...
Curve up and curve down and around. S. Curve up and curve down and around. S.
Notice that I left a space in between the two S's so you can tell the difference between the two. Now we are going to trace. So when I trace, it is important that I stay on the lines. Can you recite a name as I trace these letters?
Curve up and curve down and around. S.
One more time.
Curve up and curve down and around. S.
Was that good tracing?
No,
Why wasn't that good tracing?
you didn't stay on the line.
Correct. I didn't stay on the line. So let's trace it one more time while staying on the line. Ready and...
Curve up and curve down and around. S.
Correct. So now it's time for you to do some tracing. So why don't you put your pencil on the starting point on the first little S on line 1. Okay? Now, as you trace, will you trace, recite, and name the letter S?
Curve up, curve down and around. S.
Very good job. Now can you do the next two S's while tracing, reciting, and naming the letter S.
Curve up, curve down, and around S. Curve up and curve down and around S.
Awesome job. Now can you go to the starting point of the letter S on line 3? Okay, notice that only part of the letter S is there. Can you finish the letter S, recite, and name the letter S? Ready, and...
Curve up, curve down, and around S.
Awesome job. Now can you do the next two letter S's while completing, reciting, and naming the letter S?
Curve up and curve down and around S. Curve up and curve down and around S.
Now go to the starting point on line 5. Notice that there are only dots where the starting point would be. Can you point out all the dots on your paper? Good job. So now put your pencil on the starting point of the first letter S on line 5. Now can you finish, recite, and name the letter S?
Curve up and curve down and around S.
Now do the next two letter S's while finishing, reciting, and naming the letter S.
Curve up and curve down and around S. Curve up and curve down and around S.
Awesome job. You're very good at tracing the letter S. Now can you put your pencil on where the starting point would be for the letter S on line 7? Now can you write the letter S while reciting and naming? Ready, and...
Curve up and curve down and around S.
Very good job. Now can you write two more S's while reciting and naming the letter S?
Curve up and curve down and around S. Curve up and curve down and around S.
Very good job. You're very good at writing the letter S. Next week, we are going to be learning how to write the letter T. Thank you for being in ready position, and thank you for keeping your mouths quiet and responding together.